Good morning, my friends here in Central Georgia. This is Tim Ealer, meteorologist, and here is your weekend forecast. Flash flooding risk, there is some today, although a little bit lower than it's had been, although right, it kind of bisects the state here. So there's going to be a pretty sharp cutoff where the excessive rainfall and heavy rain will occur today. And it'll likely be this afternoon as the system moves in from the west. I know that's not on the map, but I'm just showing you. So we have a slight risk going all the way up, but basically through Warner Robins and just to the north to Macon of a marginal risk excessive rainfall. And although the rainfall rates, the amount of rain we're going to get probably is not going to be overly high. A short amount of rain, a lot of rain in a short period with the saturated environment could lead to flooding concerns really quickly. So let's be mindful of that. To the north of this, not looking like we're going to get any rainfall or flooding concerns anyway. As we always say, turn around, don't drown, don't attempt to drive through flood covered roadways, things like that. And like the National Weather Service says, high rainfall rates and rounds of showers and storms in the areas that received heavy rain in recent days will be affected by this today. Here's a feel like temperatures for the next 4 days. It's going to be rather hot here. Um, Afternoon heat indexes will approach 100. Today looks to be coolest, I guess you would say, but heat index, meaning how it feels on your skin, in the 90s for the most part. Tomorrow, everywhere in the state, at least these cities, it'll feel like really hot with the humidity levels being really high because the all the rainfall and the leftover moisture in the atmosphere that hasn't been cleared out, it's just hot, right? 100-degree heat indexes on Monday, Vidalia 102, Columbus 101. Tuesday, everywhere in the state in the 90s, Columbus, Macon, Vidalia all feeling like 100 degrees here Tuesday. So very hot temperatures continue here as far as how it feels. It may not be, the air temperature may be 90 or something, but it's going to feel a lot hotter. Rain chances continue into next week, and you see this chart here. Central Georgia for today, rain chances are higher, lower tomorrow, and a little bit lower on Monday, but increasing on Tuesday and into Wednesday. North Georgia, as we saw on the original chart, 15% chance today, 30 tomorrow, higher chances on Monday, about the same for Tuesday and Wednesday, but remain elevated from Sunday through most of next week for most of the state. So, and the highest coverage of showers and thunderstorms will be during the afternoon and evenings here. For today, as we talked about, quite a bifurcation of the moisture field here and rainfall. Most rainfall chances bisect the state here. 60-70% chance of rain south of I-16, more or less, and 75 here. Up to the north, partly cloudy, partly sunny, whatever you want to call it. A little bit cooler here north of the boundary, okay? Hottest temperatures Vidalia, like we talked about, air temperature 90 degrees. For tonight, the rain chances are highest here in the southeast and southern portion of the state. Partly cloudy, maybe some showers. Lows in the 60s to the lower 60s up to the north. If you live up here, it'll be pretty nice, I think. Tomorrow, getting hotter. See, the air temperature is only near 90, but the heat indexes will be a lot higher where the sun comes out. Highest precip chance is generally west of I-75 and I-16 here on I-85. So eastern Georgia looks to be rain-free tomorrow. So that's your weekend forecast. Unsettled weather continues. Flooding concerns today, generally along the line 16 to 75 to I-20 here in this area today. Likely, more likely this afternoon. Here's your future radar from the HRRR model. You see going through the day today, about 3 p.m. Showers and storms to our west here, moving to the east, moving to the state, overspread central and southern Georgia around dinner time today. This may not be exactly as it happens, but some heavy rainfall and maybe some potential um, strong winds and a lot of lightning here as it go through the evening hours. Then it moves to the south. So um, most of the day will be rain free, and we get into the afternoon, you see where it fills in and moves to the south and east here. We'll have to see how this plays out, but that's what the forecast is for right now. Be safe out there. Thanks for trusting me for your forecast. Like, subscribe, comment, leave any concerns or questions in the comments below. Have a great day.